Hello everybody, a very good afternoon to all of you. I again wish you all a very warm welcome. Dear viewers, all of us know that the DNA is the genetic material, and the DNA is formed of the genetic material is not only formed of DNA, it consists of histone, non-histone proteins along with DNA. So today's topic is about the process of organization of DNA. How DNA organization takes place, let's discuss. Okay. We have already discussed in another video about the structure of DNA. The DNA seems to have a double helical structure, the double helical DNA structure having purine and pyrimidine bases. It is acidic in nature. The DNA is acidic in nature. This DNA combine with proteins to produce, this DNA combine with histone and non-histone proteins to form the chromosome. So let's see how the organization of DNA takes place. Let's. The histones are, this is the DNA. The DNA is negatively charged. We know it already. When we think about histones, the histones are basic proteins. That means the histone consists of lysine, arginine, such amino acids are present in histones. Lysine and arginine, these are basic amino acids. The string of amino acid form the protein. The string of basic amino acid form the histone protein. Suppose we compare. The first we have to study the histones in detail. The histone produces octamer structure. Histone produces octamer, and this DNA wrapped around it. DNA wrapped around it. It produces two wraps around. So let's study about the histone in detail. Okay. Come to the structure of histones. The histone consists of five different types. What are different type of histones? If you take heavy light histone H1, H2A heavy histone, H2B heavy histone, H3 and H4. From all these histones, two molecules from each histone, two molecules, two from H4, two from H3, two from H2A, two from H2B, they aggregated. Two from here, two H4 molecule, two H3 molecule, two H2B molecule, two H2A molecule. So कितना हुआ? 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. All these 8 components aggregated, producing a large structure. It consists of 8 subunits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 subunits, and it is the octamer, histone octamer. Around this octamer, the DNA is wrapped around. Then how it occurs? How the arrangement takes place? Let's see. Suppose This is one octamer. One octamer, another octamer, another octamer, another octamer. The DNA get wrapped around it. DNA form two loops. Again it form two wrap around it. Another two wraps. So in this way the wrapping continues. Each octamer having the wrapped DNA consists of about 200 base pairs. Okay, 200 base pair in each wrapping. Here the new structure that is developed due to interaction of octamer and DNA is called as nucleosome. In between the nucleosome, there is a linker DNA. This is linker DNA. To this linker DNA, another histone which remain, that is H1. H1 attached to here, H1 attached to here, H1 attached to here, H1, H1, H1. So H1 is present in the linker DNA. Okay, so this is all about wrapping of DNA or formation of chromatin. It is like a bead of strings in a thread. Okay, so this form the organization of DNA and histone. What happened after that? When chromosomes are formed, in chromosome there are non-histone protein. Around this non-histone protein, the chromatin, this chromatin again coiled, it produces, it again coiled with non-histone protein having the nucleosome structure, it wrapped producing the chromosome. So it is all about the process of organization of DNA and formation of chromosome. Okay, I think it is very clear to you, and thank you for viewing this.